Hey, I'm back. My name is Al1 Art Chick, and I create content geared around custom apparel printing, whether that be t-shirts, socks, anything along those lines. It's been a cool minute since I've had an opportunity to upload anything. A lot has changed. I got married. I went out the country for my honeymoon, which was amazing. Um, Purchased a home, bought some new equipment that I'll be sharing with you all in later videos. But my goal is to upload at least once a week. Not really sure of the day, but I'm going to try to get it as consistent as possible. I do have some things in mind that I want to create a video on, but I also want to hear from you. What type of content would you like for me to upload? Do you have some things that you've been struggling with that you just need a little bit of extra help on? I'll be more than happy to create a video for it if I know how to do it myself. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can be notified anytime I upload new videos. Anyway, happy to be back, and I will be sharing with you guys real soon. Have a happy new year.